Good morning, students. Today I am explaining change of x 4 marks important sum. Let capital X capital Y be the new coordinates of small x comma y. Okay. Given h comma k. Given point minus 1 comma 2. Minus 1 comma 2 is h comma k. Given curve. Given curve. X square plus 2y square plus 16 equal 0. Okay. Formula x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k. What we have to find? Original equation. Original equation means x equal to x minus h, y equal to y minus k. X equal to x minus h, that means x plus 1. Y equal to y minus 2. Substitute capital X comma y in equation. At the equation x plus 1 whole square plus 2 into y minus 2 whole square plus 16 equal 0. X square plus 1 plus 2x. A plus b whole square formula. A minus b y square plus 4 minus 4y plus 16 equal 0. Here x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 2y square plus 8 minus 8y plus 16 equal 0. X square plus 2y square plus 2x minus 8y 16 plus 9 plus 25 equal 0. This is the required original equation. Thanks for watching.